is Chase. I'm a 19-year-old drummer from Indianapolis. Been playing the drums for about 7 years now. I'm in a band with some of my best friends called Slow Clap. But yeah, I play the 7/8 reaches. They definitely help me get around the kit and give me that extra length that I need. But yeah, I love Collision because they are a great brand, great sticks. They have great customer service, and if you need anything, they always answer really fast, so it's awesome. Thank you guys. But yeah, the song we're about to play for you guys is called Secrets. It's from our debut EP. It's also going to be our debut single. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Someone who don't love you, and you say that it's okay. Your heart's a heartbroken over and over, but it all stays the same. I'm loving you, falling to sadness. You wish you were far their arms. Two lives spinning different directions. Dream broken by the alarm. I love you, but it's a secret. It's in the letter I say. I love you, can't you see it? Everyone but me is giving way. I want to tell you what's in my heart, but when I try, I can't speak. You pass by and I start to wonder. My mouth gets dry, my knees get weak. You turn and look at me, and you say